Hi beautiful folks, it's Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all will be doing extremely well. Well, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a dinosaur theme which is very inspired from Toni Mahfud, and I really do respect his creativity and the photos which he uploads on Instagram. So guys, do follow his work and follow him. So before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Till then guys, be creative and stay at your home and be safe guys. So guys, this is the photo which we're gonna edit just like Toni Mahfud of dinosaur theme, park theme, right? So first of all, we'll select the photo with the help of quick selection tool. Just roll all over the subject's body to make it selected in a proper way, right? This just like this way. Or you can also use pen tool to select in a very precise way. I have already made a cutout of this photo. Now just right click on it and select lever copy option, or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard. So here you can see. Now guys, the next thing we're gonna add is to background, right? So we're gonna add the background. So you can just download this background, which is Toni Mahfud inspired background. You can just download from the links in the description. So just drag it and drop over here. So first of all, we're gonna just decrease the size of the photo, or let's just guys, just drag this photo or the model image toward this. Alright, now just press Ctrl T from the keyboard and just decrease the size of that model photo, and we're gonna just place this somewhere over here. Just make sure to get the original effect of the photo. Let's just place this somewhere over here. You have to place a model photo in such a way that it should look more realistic and kind of original, right? Now you can see this one is looking pretty perfect, I guess. Let's decrease the size. This is very important to maintain the perspective of the photograph. So you can see here is now this one is looking kind of very cool. So here you can see guys, it is not actually merging it with the background. So first of all, we're gonna just add shadows over here. So let's just create new layer. Select the brush tool and first of all pick up the black color from over here and just paint some shadows over here just like this way. This will actually make your photo to look more and more amazing and kind of more realistic, which we actually want. Right, so we are just doing this process. Now also let's just create new layer and right click on it and create a clipping mask on this model layer. Also we're gonna just paint the edges of the the model's paint somewhere like this and just paint it with the black color. Now this one is looking kind of very cool. And now the next thing we're gonna do is, you can see the difference guys. First of all, here's the before and here's the after, and here's the shadows, which is making a lot of difference to the photo. And the next thing we're gonna do is just to let's create new layer. First of all, we'll just merge all the layers. Just right click on it and select merge layers. And now the next thing is to add a layer mask on this photo or the model's layer. Now select the brush tool, right click on it, and from here we're gonna select the grass brushes, right? So you can just download this grass brushes. I'll be putting the link of this in the description, right? So you can just download it. So select the grass brush and just make sure to select the black color on the foreground. Now we're gonna just paint this color just like this way. So you can see the difference guys. This is actually making your photo to look more kind of very amazing. Let's select this. Just like this way guys, you have to paint it with the brush. So you can see the difference, guys. Huge difference can be seen, and it is really looking very similar and kind of more realistic. Let's just decrease the size of the brush. And here, from here, you can just change the direction, whatever kind of direction you want. You can just change it from here. Let's just place this somewhere like this way. Now this one is looking kind of very more realistic. Let's just select more brushes. Now let's select this grass brush, and let's change the direction of this grass just like this way. Still we're gonna just play with the direction curve. So we're gonna just place this somewhere over like this, over here. Let's change the direction of this. So this is how you have to merge this photo with the background with the help of this brush, just like this way. So it will make your photo to look more realistic, which we actually want. So you can just play with these brushes and just merge your photo with the help of this brush, just like this way, and you can just make it look more real. So if you want, guys, you can still do some more adjustment over here, just like this way. Now this one is looking more kind of realistic. So the next thing we're gonna do is just first of all we will just smoothen the texture of the model's photo. So the next thing we're gonna do is go to the mixture brush, make wet to 21, load to 22, mix to 23 and flow to 23%, and just fill it with the, just merge in this position or this direction so that it will smoothen the skin and just make it look more kind of realistic and more sharp. Just smoothen the skin in such a way. And lastly we're gonna do the small dodge and burn technique which he uses in his photos. So first of all, let's again select the brush tool. Now we're gonna just select the soft round brush and we're gonna just delete it something from over here. Just like this way, and let's again create new layer, right click on it and create a clipping mask, select the black color, and we're gonna just paint the black colors the hairs to make it look more realistic. Now you can see we have created an amazing photo effect, or the perfect hair. Now let's just make a dodge and burn. So let's create new layer, select the square marquee tool, and from here we're gonna just select the face of the model just like this way, and just right click on it and select fill and fill it with the 50% gray, and just hit OK. Just change the blending mode to overlay, and here select the dodge tool, and here we're gonna create a jawline. It's a very perfect jawline which he uses in his photos. So we are also creating such jawlines over here. Also we are gonna create some shine on the forehead, and let's do some kind of dodging on the nose to make it look more sharper. Now let's select the burn tool and make sure to select the exposure to around 14%, and let's just make it more darker. Now you can see the difference, guys. It is really looking very amazing. Let's select the dodge tool. This is a very important thing, guys, in editing. That is, we are going to create an amazing dodge and burn to the photo. So you have to, maintain the originalism, and very carefully you have to do this, jawline, dodging and burning process. Let's select the, spot healing tool and just remove some of the blemishes or spots from the face with the help of this, just like this way. Now this one is looking kind of very cool. So you can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. Huge difference can be seen in the photo. Now the next thing we're gonna do is, first of all, let's just select any of the thing from the background. Let's select this mountain somewhere over here, just like this way. Now just right click on it and select layer copy and just place this on the top of all the layers. Select the the hand or move tool. Now just go to the filter, select the blur and select the Gaussian blur, and just make the Gaussian blur to around 16.6 pixels. And here we're gonna just place this somewhere over here, just like this way, and just increase the size of this. And we're gonna just place this somewhere over here. Now you can see, guys, this one is really looking very dope. Now you can just change it, or let's just delete some of the areas from over here. So let's just select the eraser tool, and this will create a harsh that effect on the photo, which will make it look more amazing. So you can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. This one is really looking very amazing. Now the next thing we're gonna do is just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers, and here we're gonna just create new brush. Select the brush tool, and from here just select the orange stone and just add a new layer from here, and select give one stroke of that color and change the blending mode to screen. And here we're gonna create kind of shadows or sunlight. Press Ctrl U and just change it to kind of very a very perfect, the effect of the light should be of very tinted reddish orange tone. Now just merge both the layers. Now the next thing we're gonna do is just to color grade. So just go to the filter, select the camera filter, and from here just go to the preset tab, and here select the FP Toni Mahfud inspired preset. So here is the preset. Now you can just download this preset from the links in the description. I have already given you, so you can just use any of the preset from over here. Let's just add this photo or the preset. So you can see this is a Toni Mahfud inspired preset, and it is really looking very amazing, especially in this photo. So just hit OK and you are done, guys. Your photo is totally looking very perfect and similar to that of Toni Mahfud. So here is the before photo and here is the after. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com. On that website also you can find more premium collection of presets in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom, and many more LUTs and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff just for free. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.